Hi guys, I've been getting a lot of questions about how to log in and access your Freckle account through your Chromebooks. So I thought that I would go ahead and show you step by step how to access that so that you can follow along with me. When you first log into your Chromebook, your computer will take you right to your Clever account. You should see your name in the top right-hand corner. Our Freckle application is going to be this little pig face. So when you're ready to log in, you need to make sure that you have your Freckle QR code that I have given to each of you. It should be in your pencil box. And you're going to go ahead and click on the little pig icon. When you're ready, make sure that you take your QR code and scan it with the computer, and that will log you right into your account. We have our elephant icon, which is English language arts. That will cover sight word practice, some reading, some practice with your letters and letter sounds. That's what we will use for our guided reading rotations. We also have our lion icon. This is for math. Don't worry about the little rooster one for now. I just want you to focus on the elephant and the lion. A lot of you have been asking how to access the fact practice, where you can practice lots of addition and subtraction problems. So I will show you how to get there from here. If you click on the lion icon, that will take you to the different math options. We have number basics, number facts, and math practice. If you click on math practice, there are lots of different options that you can go into. But to practice the facts, you're going to click the arrow down all the way until we see our Freckle pig again, and click on that, and it's telling us that we're going to earn coins by answering correctly, so we click OK, and here you can practice your math. So 3 plus 1 on your keyboard, you will type 4, and then enter, and you earn 2 coins if you are correct. 8 plus 0 is 8, press enter, and that's how you earn your coins. I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any more questions. Thanks. Bye.